Hey, you're not supposed to be using PX4 for blasting, dummy. I'm gonna tell Mom.
Welcome back to the Metal Finisher. My name is Alan. If you're wondering why I'm hosting this video, you gotta be a damn idiot. Look at the screen, dummies! Kev went to get out there and blast, so I'm taking his place! Get your head out of your ass! Since Kev is blasting, Sean will be playing the role of Bitch Boy today. This video was requested by my man, Scotty G. He wanted to see us compare the production rates between the WIN Nozzle Dry and Wet. Well, playa, here is part 1, the WIN Nozzle Dry. We plan to show both dry and wet, that's what she said. But as you can see in the clip, the boys fouled up. The boys fouled up! You will need to stay tuned later in the week to see the WIN Wet. Wow, look at the backside on that! Keep busting out them squats, bro! Now, let's take a look at the time trial. Don't worry, I'll speed it up for you guys.
What you wanna